a material of ultimate rarity, the legacy of the king of the beasts. The process begins with absolute legal certification. Rarity demands transparency. The rare material arrives under strict protocol, ready for the artisanal process.
The subtle grain of the lion hide demands the highest level of care from the very start.
Careful trimming maximizes the usable surface while preparing the hide for chemical treatment.
Rehydrating the hide is the first chemical step, restoring the fiber's natural state.
Every solution is scientifically balanced to protect the hide's unique protein structure.
The backside must be spotless, or the tanning agents cannot penetrate fully.
Liming begins the complex process of fiber separation and swelling, a crucial step for penetration.
Precision and concentration guarantees uniform penetration across the entire hide surface.
Thorough washing removes all residual alkalinity, creating a neutral base for the final tan.
With the foundation perfected, the hide moves to the tanning stage. The core of the process begins.
It's a delicate process of separating the dense hair from the skin without damaging the irreplaceable grain. Delimbing and beading refines the fiber structure, preparing it to perfectly accept the tanning agents.
Scientific testing ensures the enzymatic action stops at the precise moment of maximum fiber purity.
Pickling stabilizes the hide structure, the critical prelude to the irreversible tanning process.
The irreversible transformation begins. Chrome tanning permanently stabilizes the collagen structure.
This test verifies the successful cross-linking of the collagen. The tan is permanently set.
The hide is fully tanned, its structure permanently stabilized. This is the wet blue state.
Removing excess water to achieve the perfect moisture level for splitting and shaving.
Splitting ensures absolute uniformity in thickness, separating the valuable top grain from the under layers.
The specified thickness must be achieved within a tolerance of mere fractions of a millimeter.
Final mechanical calibration, achieving a flawless, uniform internal structure for maximum strength and consistency. The structure is set. Now, the hide gains its final color, texture, and character.
Retanning adds body, fullness, and softness, transforming the wet blue into a luxury material.
The rich, deep color is added now, achieving complete penetration and unrivaled depth.
Checking the dye bath penetration and consistency. The color must be flawless when dry. Fat liquoring is the leather's nourishment, adding internal lubrication to ensure maximum softness and drape. The oil must permeate every fiber, ensuring the leather remains pliable and resistant to drying. A neutral pH is essential for the longevity of the leather, securing the chemical balance.
The process is chemically complete. The pH is stable, ready for mechanical finishing.
Removing wrinkles and maximizing the hide surface area before drying, setting the final shape.
Even Skin tension is paramount to prevent shrinkage and maintain the leather's flat, natural shape during drying.
Slow, controlled drying. A critical, patient step that locks in the softness imparted by the fat liquor.
The leather is now dry, its color locked in. The next step is the mechanical softening.
The chemical process is complete. Now, the mechanical finish will awaken the leather's final luxurious feel.
Staking is the mechanical massage that softens the dense leather, transforming it from rigid to pliable.
The hand test determines the perfect temper, strong yet exquisitely soft and supple.
A light buffing to the backside achieves a consistent, velvety finish for final product assembly.
Skin of the lion. Rugged power transformed into subtle, distinguished elegance.
Vacuum drying ensures the leather remains perfectly flat and dimensionally stable, eliminating residual moisture.
A final, gentle buffing prepares the grain for the protective top coat, maximizing adhesion and clarity.
The unique top coat is chemically formulated to enhance the grain while offering maximum protection and longevity.
The final protective coat is applied in a micron-thin layer, preserving the natural feel and depth of color.
The result: a protective barrier that seals in the character without sacrificing the natural touch.
Massive pressure and controlled heat permanently set the finish, ensuring lifelong performance and aesthetic.
The finished material, ready for the master atelier.
Final quality check. Every natural mark is noted to maximize the purity of the finished product.
From science to artistry, the raw material is now ready for the master cutter. The finished hide arrives at the atelier, where the master cutter assesses its character.
Assessing the leather's innate character, every natural flaw is identified, ensuring only flawless sections are cut.
Digital precision, guided by human instinct. The final placement honors the unique character of the hide.
Automated cutting ensures micron-level precision and repeatability, maximizing material use.
Critical details still require the irreplaceable skill and feel of the human hand.
Careful extraction ensures the delicate edges remain pristine. Every piece is handled as a finished object.
Keep your focus right here where the blade meets the material. You want a consistent shaving, about half the original thickness.
Skiving reduces bulk, allowing for precise folding and clean, elegant seams.
Precision folding seals the edge, providing a clean line and increasing the piece's durability.
The inner lining, matching the outer leather in precision and quality, is cut separately.
A specialized adhesive is applied, providing flexible yet permanent structural integrity between the leather and the lining.
Precision alignment and light pressure create a seamless, single material, ready for the stitching stage.
The structure is set. The final assembly begins with the disciplined art of stitching. The custom thread and tension are set to match the density of the lion leather perfectly.
Only the strongest, most enduring thread is chosen, complementing the resilience of the lion leather.
Perfecting the edge, a prerequisite for the final, flawless finish.
The initial coat is applied thinly, soaking into the leather fibers to create a solid foundation.
The burnishing process compresses and polishes the paint, creating the signature glossy, durable edge.
The final layer provides a thick, even, and flawless finish that sets the luxury standard.
Precision pressure ensures all folds are sharp, clean, and perfectly aligned before final attachment.
Holes for hardware must be punched with absolute cleanliness and precision, preventing fraying.
The mark of the brand is applied with controlled heat and pressure, a permanent, subtle signature.
The finished product is given its final shape by hand, honoring the natural suppleness of the leather.
From raw material to finished product, the ultimate test of luxury awaits.
Stitching must be microscopically perfect, a guarantee of structural longevity.
Dimensional accuracy is verified to the 1/10 of a millimeter, ensuring the design integrity.
The product rests within its custom casket, crafted to preserve and present the luxury within.
The custom seals are applied. This shipment is finalized and ready for exclusive delivery.
The journey is complete. The masterpiece begins its voyage to the client. The finished product, a testament to time, precision, and a material unlike any other. Over 100 distinct, meticulous steps, transforming raw strength into refined luxury.
We honor the master cutter, whose eye for grain and flawless placement begins the physical journey.
We honor the tannery-led specialist, who commanded the chemistry, transforming skin into an enduring material.
We honor the edge finisher, whose patience brought the edges to a glossy, domed perfection.
We honor the QC inspector, whose eye ensured no flaw, however small, escaped the process.
What do you think about the latest draft?
I believe the textile work really complements the design we have here.
It's coming along nicely.
The irreplaceable mark of nature, preserved and perfected.
The foundation of legacy, a material defined by power, transformed by art. A modern process built upon centuries of leather working heritage. The pinnacle of luxury, the ultimate symbol of prestige.
Thank you for witnessing the dedication to the rarest craft on Earth.